8-pack Diaper Pail Deodorizer. Natural diatomite carbon bimutila is one of the best baby diaper pail deodorizers products. What you get: 8-pack diatomite filters with 8 double-sided tape strips. 45-day money-back guarantee for any reason. 18-month warranty for quality-related issues. Friendly and fast customer service. Natural and safe diatomite. Natural odor-absorbent material, made with safe and natural diatomite, which provides a stronger absorption capacity than carbon. Its porous internal molecular structure allows it to effectively absorb diaper odors from the source and purify your nursery, unlike other deodorizers that merely cover up the smell. Better breathability, better absorption, comes with 8 packs. Each pack is individually wrapped in non-woven fabric which will not leak and has better breathability than original paper bags, allowing the diatomite to improve absorption and lock in strong and unpleasant diaper odors. Can be used almost anywhere. 8 diatomite filters with 8 double-sided tape strips allow you to place the filters wherever you need to. You can use them in the refrigerator, the shoe cabinet, the gym bag, the garbage can, the trash can, your pet's favorite corner, and any area where you want to eliminate odors. No need to pay for additional double-sided tape. Easy to use. It is easy to change the insert of the Diaper Genie pails. Just remove the old insert and install the new one. You merely place them in areas where you need odor control. Use one bag at a time, more if necessary. Replace on a monthly basis or more frequently, based on the effect you desire. Customer satisfaction guaranteed. You'll get 8 diatomite filters, 8 double-sided tape strips, and friendly, professional customer service with your purchase. The manufacturers strive to provide the best quality deodorizers for diaper pails, which is why the manufacturer will replace or refund the purchase price if for any reason you are not completely satisfied.